Hey everybody, it's me again. It's my elbow again. Here's this elbow. Five fingers. One. Let's see if I can crack it. Yeah, there we go. Let's hear this one. Yep. Thanks.